Hello, I'm Nicolette. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I usually do draw-alongs of characters and things I've made up. Nelly, go away. That's my cat. She's mischief. Yes, good. Luckily she's listened this time. I've done this now. This is the second time because my other cat, Raven, decided to go in the litter train. It wasn't very pleasant, so you don't want to know any more details about that. So yes, I'm going to draw famous cartoon characters, starting with Bluey. So first of all, I will draw the eyebrows, which are just like little sausage. I'm doing the pencil. You're using a pencil. I'm using a pen so you can see. So they're like little sausage shapes. One there. And then we're going to have one at the other side as well. So there's the other. The reason I've done the eyebrows first is because they're over the top of the face. They're not detached. So I know I can do that without making it look a mess, hopefully. So that's that. And now I need to draw some nice rounded corners. Not the easiest to draw rounded corners, to try and get them the same on each side. So you use a pencil and then you can change it. It's not easy. So I need to come down. I'm going to use this as a slider because my hand slides around better. So I'm going to come down maybe around there, maybe. So I'm going to try and draw a straight-ish line. Don't want it to be absolutely perfect. And then the same on this side. You can use a ruler, but I tend to think it looks better freehand somehow. There we go. A little bit wobbly there. I would actually rub that bit out. So that's the head. I'm going to put the legs on next, I think. So inside leg, I'm going to draw first. So I get the legs the distance apart that I want them to. So it's in. I have made a mistake. I'm going to explain my mistake in a minute. So, no, my mistake is I have done that leg first and I should have done this leg because when I move over, I could smudge. I do it every time. Every time. So there's the legs. I'm going to try and make them the same size. Same length. Feet. Let's get some feet on there. They're quite flat at the bottom, I've noticed, on this character. So they go round and they're quite flat and then up to meet there. And now to make the toes, all you need to do is flick up. Same on this side, round, out and round to meet there. Flick up and flick up. So there, we're getting there. Now on this, the picture I've chosen, which I'm copying off on my screen, the character has actually got his arms by his side. So I'm going to draw them with you around there. I'm not sure. I think they're around here. So one. Done it again, Anta. What have I done? Wrong side first. And also, it's the wrong side for another reason. Because as you can see, I can't see that now. So yes, always start at this side, which is your left. I am dyslexic, so I have to do this for left and right. Right, so let's do the finger. One. Hands can be hard to draw. These aren't too bad. So we've got one blob and then two blob, three blob. Now you'll see that I'm overlapping those hands. Now it needs to come up to here. And then you can add your thumb on, which is going to come out and in. Okay. So same on this side. One blob, one blob, one blob, and then up, out, and then you can add your thumb on there. There we go. Sure, next what shall I do? I might draw his tail because I've got a horrible feeling that I might forget the tail. So it's going to come round to about there. And then it's got some fluffy bit, like a bit of a fluffy bit. So a bit like a cloud actually, when you draw fluffy clouds. So it's got some lumps. There we go. And then it's got a different colour here. You can do that better when you colour it in, I would imagine. So that's that. Also got some, like he's got little socks on. There we go. And same on the wrists. Those lines. Okay. And then tummy. So we're going to go up. This is like a bridge or a tunnel. And then join it to there. Right. What do I need to do next? Shall I attempt the ears? I think I will. So the ears start right at the edge. And they go up. And they are pointed, but it's slightly rounded at the top. So we're going to go up. Take your time with this. Okay. And then you can come down to around here, I would guess. And then the same on this side. Up. And down. There we go. Now eyes. Big round eyes. Now they use big round eyes cartoons to make the character look cute. And sometimes big heads make the character look cute as well. So I can't draw the eye yet because that's behind the nose. So I'm going to do a straightish line out here and it stops around there. And then we're going to come down and around to create the smile. So for a smile, you can just do that. Okay. Nose. Quite a simple nose, this character. There we go. And if you draw another little sausage shape in the middle, that can be your shine on your nose. So when I colour this in, the character should have a nice shine. If I go too fast, you can pause the video or rewind. So there we go. Now I'm going to do the spots because I'm bound to miss them spots out if I don't do them now. Not used to drawing the other cartoons. It's been a while. I usually just draw my own, make my own up. So they're going to be coloured in, but you can do them your right colour, what you want them to do. Same as this character is normally, or you can do them any other colour. It's up to you, innit? It's your picture. So, up. And then that joins to there. And he's got another. I need to do this eye now, don't I? And I need it to be similar to that. So now I've done it the right way around because I can see that eye. So I can see a little bit of how big the eye is going to be. So let's see if I can do it this time. Let's go round and in. Not too bad. And then the eye, it's got a... what you could do if you wanted to make it look shiny, you leave a gap, a little white bit, but the character hasn't got that. So I'm just going to do it as the character is drawn. Okay, and then I need the middle of the ears. The inside of the ears. Oh, the cat's going to start playing with the bowl now. You're going to be banned from this room. This is their room, to be honest. They've claimed it. We've just moved and they've claimed this room for them. And the cats are obviously in charge. Over me as well. So there we go. There we have Bluey. It'll look a lot better once you've coloured it in. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. You'll find more draw-alongs on my course. Find links in the comment section and also description. Please subscribe to my channel and help me reach more people by liking the video.